Why do good men cheat? Here are 8 reasons. Anyone who has been cheated on knows how painful and heartbreaking cheating can be. It's easy to believe that infidelity means the end of a relationship, but this isn't always the case. But in the end, all is not lost. You may recover and restore your marriage. We don't always realize when we have been duped, and I've seen cases where people have cheated for years. One case in point is a couple that did not find out until 10 years into their marriage. Men cheat for a variety of reasons. This is because there are several factors that influence a man's decision to do it. Cheating and deceiving others are not acceptable. Islam and cheating. Honesty entails not only demonstrating sincerity but also being fair and straightforward. Cheating, deception, trickery, and lying are so prohibited. The Qur'an and the Sunnah both say this against cheating. Cheating is prohibited regardless of whether or not one is a Muslim. Once a person accepts Islam's guidance, he or she can avoid deception and cheating because they'll be directed to the truth. Those who cheat, according to Islam's Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, are not sincere believers in the faith. Muslims believe that love, emotions, and keeping vows to fellow Muslims and members of society are sacred. Deception and disloyalty are not acceptable in Islam. Since the members are devoted, faithful, and truthful, traitors, con artists, and double-crossers and swindlers are not permitted. Good men cheat for a variety of reasons. My name is Hamid Chibwe. If you haven't subscribed to this iconic media channel, please do so, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to keep yourself notified of all our future videos. For a variety of reasons, good men may cheat on their partners. Some of the causes are as follows. Let's begin with number 1, immaturity. If a person has never been in a long-term relationship before, they are more likely to cheat. This is also true if they lack sufficient comprehension of the fact that every action has consequence. It's possible that such a person believes that cheating is acceptable. He may believe that he may choose whether or to be in a monogamous relationship based on his current circumstances. All Muslims, not only men, are expected to mature in Islam. Number 2, addiction. Another factor could be that the male has an addiction problem. He may be too reliant on drink or drugs, which impairs his decision-making ability. As a result, he makes decisions that he later regrets. Another explanation is that his addiction causes him to engage in behaviors to numb himself from reality. Number 3, doubts about oneself. A good man who cheats may be plagued by issues such as being too old or young, not being successful, wealthy, intelligent, or attractive. Furthermore, cheating is frequently or tangentially linked to a midlife crisis. He may seek validation from other women to raise his low ego and make him feel worthy, wanted, and accepted. Number 4, lack of support. A lack of social support is another factor. Men frequently believe that their relationships can meet their emotional and social demands. As a result, the importance of making friendships with others is undervalued. If a spouse is unable to meet those requirements, they will cheat. As a result, in Islam, engaging with others is highly valued. Number 5, intense infatuation. Because of the rush of brain chemicals released during the early stages of love, a man may misinterpret extreme infatuation for love. As a result, he may believe that long-term love may be replaced. Number 6, abuse bad childhood experiences are another element that can lead to a man cheating. A man who has unresolved issues like as being ignored as a child or having been subjected to emotional or physical abuse may seek solace in infidelity. If left unresolved, it may have an impact on how he forms attachments or intimate relationships with others. As a result, it may be difficult to enter a serious relationship. He could also be having an affair to distract himself from the tragedy. Number 7, selfishness. A person's selfish aspirations have no place in Islam. Some men, on the other hand, only think of themselves. As a result, when they lie or keep secrets from their relationships, they experience no sorrow, guilt, or regret. They believe that as long as they obtain what they desire, their acts are rational. Worse, they may never intend to commit to a single relationship. Number 8, being unrealistic. A nice man who has unresolved expectations about his partner might cheat on him. Such a man believes that his partner should be available to him at all times. This could be a sign of selfishness, as he ignores his partner's feelings. The male might not realize that his partner has a life of her own and that her world never revolves around him. When his expectations aren't met, he looks for other women. You can recover. Many marriages can be saved. It's not all doom and gloom. The key to reconciling for the other person to accept, even if it means taking a risk. If their partner is regretful, if you notice him taking a genuine role in making changes in his life and acknowledging, accepting responsibility for their behavior, these are signals of progress. For the healing process to take place, it is a two-way process of supporting one another rather than attacking one another, which takes time and dedication from both parties. As the cheating behavior change, these justifications tend to alter as well. This can be influenced by a variety of life experiences and circumstances. Whatever the reason may be, there is no justification for cheating on one's partner. Please subscribe to our Iconic Media channel and hit the notification bell to keep yourself notified. See you in the next video.